just received a box in the mail and I thought to make a video about it. And even though this is a tech channel, this box has nothing to do with technology. They say stick to your niche, otherwise you're just heading down to disaster. But hey, I couldn't just resist making this video. It's quite interesting what's inside this box. Let me just unbox it real quick to not keep you guys in suspense. And if you get to see what's inside it, it's basically, and you might already see it, it's called the AirUp. It's a water bottle that comes with pods, and those pods give you a taste to your water. Let me demonstrate how that works. So I believe these are the pods. No, I'm sure about it. And they come in 5 flavors. You can choose what flavors you get, but apparently for some reason you can't choose the flavors right out of the first order. But you get something that's called cola, in Dutch that's Coke, watermelon, and I'm not sure what this is. I guess it's orange, apple, and pineapple. But let's first unbox this thing. It has a manual on how to attach those pods to the bottle. I'll just demonstrate how that works. I guess it's straightforward how that goes. And I need to say right out of the bat, this bottle looks very cool. It's stainless steel, even though this part is made out of plastic. It has this thing where you can just hold your bottle, whether you are at the gym or maybe at work. You can just carry it right from here. Furthermore, there's nothing more in the box, even though the box looks very sleek. And what they mean by magic is that when you fill the bottle with water, you get these pods. And if I just smell them, you can smell the flavors even without removing that plastic. Okay, so I have my water, the bottle's rinsed, and there's nothing left than just filling up this bottle with water. And the bottle can hold up to 880 milliliters of water, so that's quite a lot. If you want to track your water intake every single day, well, you have about 1 liter or just under a liter for every bottle you finish for that day. So I'm not quite sure which flavor I should start with. I guess I'll go for this pineapple flavor. Okay, the smell is very present. It filled the room with this pineapple smell, and if I believe I need to pop it. Okay, so I guess right now I can just taste the water. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not sure if I've done it correctly. I believe the taste of water is still there. It's not like I now have the feeling that I'm drinking some soda or something. Because how this thing works, and let me just first explain how this thing works. There's no flavor that gets mixed with the water. This pot is responsible for making it taste like pineapple. So what they tell you on their website is that the majority of our taste comes from this, what's called olfactory receptors. Basically, it's a part of our brain that translates smell into taste. And they thought to make this technology to make our water taste like any other flavor by not mixing the water with artificial things, but by tricking our brain with the smell of this pot that you are basically drinking a flavored drink. But in reality, I'm just drinking water. Even though I need to say, yeah, for sure, I'm smelling that pineapple flavor, but the taste of water is quite there. And I'm not saying water tastes bad, because at the end of the day, water is the most essential thing that we need to survive in this earth. And to be honest with you, I don't have any problems with drinking water. If you have trouble with drinking water, this can be a solution because you don't get any calories whatsoever. No empty calories go into your body. No artificial sweetness goes into your body, so that's a plus, I guess. Also, you get this sleek bottle. It's made out of stainless steel. They have also plastic bottles, and I believe BPM free and all of that. I've chosen for this stainless steel bottle because it is durable, and I know from experience when I'm at the gym or anywhere else, I have the tendency to just drop my bottle a lot of times. So I thought to just invest in a stainless steel bottle that is durable and that it goes for a very long time. Even though these pots, even though I'm not gonna order these pots anymore after this package, I'm just gonna use it as a water bottle. Yeah, I can just continue using this water bottle for a very long time, and it's a good looking water bottle. I believe the taste is not quite there. I'm just gonna look into this thing. Oh, I need to pop it off. Okay, so that's something I didn't do. Maybe after popping it off. Okay, so how? So it says when I pop it off. Okay, so I just attach it to this thing and I need to pop it off gently, and now the sense is activated. But when I pop it off, it has the tendency to just go out, I believe. Maybe if I put it this way. Okay, so now the pot is down. There's no, and indeed that sense is not there anymore. But if I pop it off, and it's not like you hear any sound when I pop it off. It's just, it lifts itself up. Okay, I guess the sense is now activated for 50% more. So when you pop it up, and that was my mistake at the beginning of this video, I haven't read the manual, but now you know. If you pop it up, okay, I have to give them that. Now the taste is more pineapple-ish than before. So I've made a mistake, and I'm not gonna edit that part out. Yeah, the flavor is quite there. I'm not sure how the other flavors goes. Let's try. So now I'm gonna do it the good way. Okay, so this one smells very good. So now it's popped down. It's not lifted, and now it's popped up. Yeah. Okay, so this is orange and peach from what I believe, and you quite taste that flavor. It's still water, but with this pot, it just tricks your brain like you're drinking soda. So they promise that this package will last for about 16 days. So you can get yourself a subscription, and they will send you every 2 weeks of every week new flavors. So yeah, this is a way of drinking more water if you haven't the tendency of drinking water, or you just want to have a more flavored water. It doesn't contain any calories, and it has this smell to it that basically for about 60% lets you think or trick your brain that you are drinking something else, a soda or a flavored drink. Will I recommend you spending $60 on this one? No. Just force yourself to drink water for like a week or so, and eventually you will get used to it. The reason why we don't like drinking water, for some people then, is because they are just used to flavored drinks, sugary drinks, and that's why you don't like drinking water, because it just doesn't taste to anything. Should you just spend $65 to just buy this bottle and eventually keep spending more by getting yourself a subscription, because these things will not last for a very long time. Like they say, this package will last for like 16 days. I believe it's not worth it. As you can guess, this video is not sponsored by AirUp. They haven't sent me this bottle, so this is my honest opinion. The water still tastes like water, but you have this sense pot attached to it that tricks your brain that you are drinking something else. Why not just get yourself a bottle for like $15, and for $15 you'll have yourself a stainless steel quality bottle that you can drink water from and just get used to that taste. That's the best thing in my opinion. That's the more budget friendly way to force yourself to drinking water, and believe me, in about 2 weeks you will not have that problem anymore. So yeah, that's basically it. The AirUp, it's a quite sleek looking bottle. It looks very good, but for $65, no, I wouldn't do it. So yeah, that was my 2 cents. about this bottle. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.